to myself. I'm Miss Karishma Nalli, teaching the field in this education field my past 12 years. I was teaching for CBSE and ICSE for many years, but this was the first time I was teaching for the Cambridge. Coming to this core when I joined, I was, of course, when you're a teacher, you teach in a particular manner. Yes, our teaching when we were as a student, it was only a teacher talking. But in this era, it is not like that. We children has to be get involved in the phases a two-way teaching, and more of children has to speak. We used to do it. I used to do it before also, but after joining the core, there was a drastic change in my the way I was teaching. I was teaching like it's a textbook. Okay, children, come on, read it. The vocabularies, explanation, according to it was Haskell. Now it is not like that. Now it was the children read it, but there is a questionnaire type of things where I put many questions online after reading that passage. So that came from your poetry, which I was not doing this. And maybe for a small poem also, when everyone has to have a story, a home was a poem, but no, now poem is a story for me. So I describe that poem as a story for them, and when they read out, they connect that thing automatically. So I don't have to explain each and every syllable. They know that this a story is this, and they know the explanation of this. So this came into me because of your poem. This thing. This was one I never used to do. I never used to do. And it is from my bottom of my heart and say it's all absolutely true. If the core was didn't happen, I was maybe a Nobel teacher where I used to explain the poem or line by line explanation, the metaphors in use, whatever it is, and it's done. No, a poem is a totally different concept from. And children really, many children doesn't like poem. They always say, oh, poem. Now it is like, oh, it's a poem and a new story will be there for us. So this is the first thing I would like to tell you that the core has explained me all this thing. Otherwise, I don't. I will be a leaking teacher. And secondly, coming about activity based. Always CBSE and ICSE has an activity base, but they were routine activities, not we getting a Pinterest or anywhere in the Google and Google. But when I joined in the core, I had different kind of hand. So there are many changes in my the way I study. And really thank you the core which has done this thing for. So the main thing I like to highlight and then when I was going to the spore sessions, I had a chance of having a interview of a new syllables which I never did it. But after doing this core sessions, I thought that let me give a chance. Maybe what I learned in the session I need to implement there. And my demo, I was really surprised on myself. My demo was totally different what I used to teach in my class. So I was like, after the demo, I was like, I think I did something different this time. So we were four for the same positions in the same classes. Four teachers were given the demo on the same day. But in that, I was given the feedback was from my principal was the lady that actually who has taken the so she asked me, "Are you doing any teacher courses?" So I said, "Not exactly a teacher course, yeah, but I'm attending a workshop where how teachers take the classes and what are the limitations we have, and about that also how we have to work on that." I am doing that. And I don't know, maybe because of the experience, she got to know that. But I said, yeah, I am attending the courses and it's going on. So then she told me that reflected on your demo session, which was totally different from other things. So I would like to share this. Yeah, this is and I just pick up small. So because every time we go and we write a topic as a bone and we one explanation. No, mine was in another way. And that came from this post. And definitely I would suggest that every teacher who is working, maybe she's experienced with this thing, but this session will really help you out to come out more about yourself as a teacher. So I will definitely suggest everyone need to join the session. Yeah, monetary wise, if you think it's a little bit higher, no doubt, because we spend more monetary things in other themes also, which is not fruitful. Because I used to me also like that. I am experienced, but I don't need such kids. But no, we need many things actually. We should be a learner every now and then, and this learning really helps you. So I would definitely like to say everybody to join the session and learn this. You will really be benefited with